Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we are looking at NKN. So I have not looked at NKN in a long time. I actually forgot about NKN. So NKN seems to have these massive moves to the upside, so I wish I had a magical indicator that could tell me why that is the case. I really don't see. I was looking at the RSI, the volume, combined with the CRSI there and the Heikin-Ashi candles. There's really no warning for when this thing is gonna just have this massive green candle spawn in here. It just spawns in. You can see your bearish red on the Heikin-Ashi candles here. You would expect more downside, and all of a sudden you have this huge one spawn in here. Volume came in on all three of these huge candles here. So I don't know why that is the case actually. So only thing I can do is point out the support and resistance. As of now, the RSI is just kind of going sideways. It doesn't look like it wants to go higher at the moment. But you are at support here, so I guess you could have a green candle spawn in at any time. So we'll just go ahead and measure this thing out. It's up to you if you want to take a gamble on dollar cost averaging in or whatever you want to do. Because like I said, you never know when these massive candles are going to spawn in. So it's just by luck, I guess. So you're at 0.77 at the moment. So if you lose this support here at 0.76, pretty much, you're coming down here to pretty much 6 cents for a 21% drop there on NKN. So just kind of watch this here. It looks like it is the bottom. You can see it has tons of support along this support line, along this price level here. A couple times you did dip below it, twice here, and then you bounced off of this support down here at that 6 cent area. So if you do lose 7, I would watch for 6 to hold. So just watch that 21% drop if you do in fact lose that there. But it looks like it wants to hold it. And for a move higher, your first resistance at 8.9, pretty much 9 cents for a 15% move higher, and then 10 cents up here for a pretty much 30% move. So just kind of watch those prices there. And like I said, if you just have a massive green candle just flying off the shelf, it's probably just gonna pull one of these again. But if that does happen, just like this one right here, look at this massive thing with this massive wick here. That's an extremely bearish candle there because it came up here and sold off. But no one to take profit. If you got in down here and this thing shot up to 22 cents, just know that that is resistance up there at 22, down here at 16 and 12. So if you are invested in NKN and you wanted to take some profit and this thing has a massive candle spawn in, just remember you got some heavy resistance at 16 and 22. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I don't have a crystal ball to tell you that the candle's going to spawn in tomorrow or something, which it's probably not, but I could be wrong. I think we already looked at the Heikin-Ashi candle. See, they're printing extremely bearish here. They did the same thing back here. Not really here. You had a bunch of wicks. When you have a wick on both sides, it's really not that bearish. But you can see here, there's no wick on these last two Heikin-Ashi candles on the top. So that tells me it's still trending downward. And you do have the RSI still curling down just a hair. So it looks like it wants to push down. So just watch 0.7 here. Watch to hold that. If you lose that, you'll come down here to 6, and that'll be your bounce point more likely than not. So if you're looking to dollar cost average in on NKN before this gets any longer, watch 7. If you drop down to 6, it'd be a great buying opportunity in my opinion. If you believe in it for the long term, to hodl it. But yeah, with that being said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.